Hello everyone, welcome to day 47 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful 3D heart stitch. This stitch is done on a foundation row, which is a multiple of 12 plus 1. You can either choose to do a foundation chain and then do a row of double crochets, or you can directly start off from a foundation double crochet. So the first row, you will have to make 6 double crochet stitches before starting off the heart stitch. I'm showing this method so that it is easier for you to calculate the length of the scarf or whatever you're making with this stitch. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more. Once you have reached 6 stitches, we are going to start off with our very first 3D heart. Chain 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Into the third chain from the hook, make 1 slip stitch. Do the same thing in the 4th and 5th stitch as well. Okay, now again chain 1, and we are going to place our stitches on this part of the work. So you kind of pivot your work, make 1 single crochet on the first stitch, 1 half double crochet on the next, 1 double crochet on the next, and on the next one you have to make 4 triple crochet stitches all into the same space. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now chain 4 and slip stitch onto the same space. So that completes 1 half of the heart. Now again reverse this process, that is, start off with a chain 4, make 4 triple crochets, that's 2, 3 and 4. Now make 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Now we are back where we started our stitch. Okay. Now on top of the 6th double crochet that we made, make a slip stitch and continue making the foundation double crochet row. So now you have to make 12 more double crochet stitches. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Now again make 6 chains and repeat the same pattern. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slip stitch onto the third, fourth and fifth stitch and chain 1, make 1 single crochet, start off with 1 chain and then we are going to crochet on this side. So we are going to make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet and 4 triple crochets. The 4 triple crochets all into the same chain space. That's 2, 3 and 4. Now chain 4, slip stitch, again chain 4, and make 4 triple crochets again. Again one double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet back where we started. Slip stitch on top of the 12th double crochet. Continue making the foundation row. Now this time we are going to do 6 double crochet stitches. So I have done 3, 4, 5 and 6. That marks the end of the first row. We have 2 hearts here. If you want to continue making more hearts, you have to make 12 double crochet stitches, and then after the last heart you have to make 6 double crochets. Now at this point, if you want, you can change colors so that your heart really pops out. So I'm going to go for red here. So before finishing the last double crochet stitch, I'm attaching the new yarn. Chain 3, now this row is a row of normal double crochet stitches. So the chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, and when you come to the 6th one, just push the heart forward and you have to kind of make it behind the heart like this. Okay, 7. So just the 6th double crochet will be slightly difficult. Other than that, it's just a normal double crochet row. Now, for the next row, again we are going to start off with a double crochet. This time, we are again going to make 6 double crochet stitches. The chain 3 counts as 1. So 5 double crochets. So before you do the 6th one, you just have to take out your hook, just have to find the top loop of the chain stitches that we made. This is just any 2 loops. This is just to slip stitch into the loop. Just pull out this loop like this. Okay. Again, continue making the double crochet stitches. So this kind of attaches the heart to your work. So basically I just pulled out 2 loops like this, and I just slip stitched the heart. Now again you have to crochet 6 more double crochet stitches, reaching in between the 2 hearts. 3, 4, 5 and 6. So once you have done that, you would have reached the middle of these 2 hearts here, and now you just have to start making 6 chains and continue with the same heart pattern. Do try out this pattern, and if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.